everyone, welcome to Inside the AI. I am the Data Doc, and we are going to create an AI agent for you. I think this is going to be a very useful video for you. If you do find this useful, please like and subscribe. What I do want to mention is that the JSON files and all the information is in the description. There's no gatekeeping on this channel, so any information you need will be in the description below. And please join my school community. This video is going to create an AI agent that can send and receive your emails for you. And this is going to be a larger video in the future. So in the future, we're going to create the ultimate agent, which can send your emails, which can book your calendar meetings, create content for you. But for right now, we're just creating the email agent in that scenario. The first thing we need to do is always start with the trigger. So since I'm in a test environment, what I want to do is have a trigger that's on chat. So with this, I can test the environment, and I'm going to put some data in there just to test it out. Send an email to George. Let's just put that for a second. All right. So we'll send that through, and it's going to just stop, and we're testing it out, making sure the data is here. So the next thing we're going to add is the agent. This is an important field. What we're going to do is put AI agent advanced and AI agent. And what we're able to do with this is going to be what we call from all the agents that we have and all the tools that we attach. So the next thing we have to add is the properties and put a system message. This is the message we're going to give the agent to tell it what it is and how to execute tasks. So I have it already made. Again, all you have to do is download the JSON file in the description, but I'm copying and pasting it from another video for you, or from another screen. All right, so now I'm going to open this up so you can see it. Essentially, we're telling it you're an email management assistant given professional data doc. Okay, so basically you're giving it that, and you're going to tell it what tools to call. And this is important because if you don't add these tools to call, it's not going to know who to call. And we'll explain that in a second. So now if I close this, here's where we get the explanation. The information comes in, your agent reads it and understands what to do because you gave it this message. And at the bottom, we have the chat model, we have the memory, and we have the tools you can call. So here we'll put our emails, we'll put memory so that it could remember your chats. And here we're going to put an AI. All right, so the next few parts are going to be pretty quick, and then it's going to get pretty repetitive. Open AI, I'm already connected. Since I'm already connected, we have a connection. I can just press back. Done. Next model, we're going to put a window buffer. This is just going to give us 5 backwards point to remember. So if you send a message and you said, make a meeting for me tomorrow, it will make that meeting. And the next message you give the AI is change that meeting. It will remember that you told it to make that meeting. All right, next thing we need to do, we have a lot of repetitive tasks here. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put Gmail. Once this is open, we want to be able to send an email. So my account's connected. We want to send a message. And who are we sending it to? How do we know who to send it to? So we need a expression that calls the AI. So what that means is when the agent gets the send an email, it's going to read this. It's going to come in and say, well, where is it coming from? It goes to the AI, talks to the AI, then comes back and gets the email. Pretty cool to me. Now, this is the interesting part. The subject, you can create a manual subject. If you just type in here and it's fixed, you can say, hello world, that's typed. That's always going to be the same. Now, if you want it to be personalized, you're going to click expression and you're going to ask it to get the subject from the AI. And then the same, you want to change this to text so that it's readable. Excuse me, you want to keep this HTML. And you're going to do the same. It's going to call the AI to give you a body message. And with that done, this will send out an email for us that an AI wrote. So after we've connected our contact sheet and our sheet right here, we want to go to our contact sheet. We have this in the description below. It's a pretty basic contact sheet, but what this is going to do is it's going to email this person. The AI is going to read the sheet and then send the email. All right. So now let's test this out and see if it works. And then what I will do is I'm going to work this all the way out. I'm going to give you a screenshot of what everything's going to happen, and then I'll send you the JSON file. So send an email to George about the upcoming AI conference in Dubai. The upcoming AI conference in Mexico. Let's see what happens. It's going to the AI, remembering what I said. All right. I didn't see it call my Google Calendar. All right. So what I want to do is I want to send an email to George. I tested this out, hit a failure, so I did some work on it. The challenge I had, just so everyone's tracking, is inside of this, I didn't put the prompt to call the contact sheet. So it went through this and it didn't see the prompt to call the contact sheet. What I want to mention is that anything inside these parentheses have to line up with your actual tools here. So since this one says Gmail, that's actually not going to work. So if I'm sending the email, what I want to do is I want to make sure send email is the one that it's going to be called. So I need to go back to here and rename it. This is why renaming is so important. Open this up and then rename this here to send email. Now, if I paste in what we mentioned about send an email to George, let's see what happens. So now it went and got the contact. It's sending it to memory, and now it should have sent an email. So here's the final results for our AI agent. And what I want to do is I want to show you what we're doing here so that you can be interested in the next video. So now we're going to have an incoming message from an higher AI agent that controls this AI agent. And this agent is going to be made to create emails. It's going to be our email agent. So if you ever hate sending emails, this will do it all for you. That message will come in from the higher agent and you can link them across each other. And so that's what we'll be doing. When that message comes in, the email will start here. It will go through all of these modules. You'll be able to send an email reply, label emails, draft emails, get some emails so that you can read through them, give you summaries of the emails, get any labeling, and update any remarks. And so this file will be in the description below. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any use cases, please provide them to me. I hope you like and subscribe.